Hi team, this is Karthik from ITeLearn.com. Very short video to talk about the new membership program and also a brief about what we've done in the last 10 years since we started in 2009. So primarily team, let's run through a quick couple of slides that I have on the membership program. At the moment, what we want to do is offer just two types of memberships as part of ITeLearn.com. The first being your ITeLearn member, where you have access to all the videos, the live webinars, the technical support, and all the reference materials that we do as part of our trainings. So the ones we've been doing since 2009 and the ones which we'll continue to do for a year-long membership. So it is unlimited as to which course you pick, you will get access to everything. That is the first package of an ITeLearn member. The second is a JPACT member. The primary difference is you have a longer term membership, but the most important aspects is how we focus on each of you in the job placement and certified training. This is a program that requires a lot of participation at your end. Primarily when you look at how the market is developing in the QA and automation space, you would know that it is just not skill development, but also how do we do live projects, get into an internship? How do we provide projects that in my resume are referenceable? How do we go about the entire process of hunting and finding a job and going through that application of interviews and so on. Uh, Also, we talk a lot about how we collaborate with other JPAC members, our trainers, our teams to prepare you in this direction. We start with an orientation at the very beginning, which talks about how we need to set based on who you are, very personalized, custom program that will fit you. Then we know that do we want to push you more into automation immediately, or do we start with manual tools like HPALM and so on. Also, what comes with the JPAC membership is your post-placement assistance. You're constantly a part of the members ship in ITeLearn. So either way you get your tech support, but what happens typically is when you get into a new job, you require some technical guidance that is countable. So rather than just a tech support, it would be someone who's a peer working along with you as a shadow. So that's the primary difference between ITeLearn member and a JPAC member. Um, Quickly, I wanted to take you to the website on ITeLearn to show you what you currently have and what you can expect in what fields. So here's the ITeLearn website, and a lot will change here, especially in terms of our membership. Earlier, as we launched, each course had its own pricing, and the members had to choose between what courses to offer. This kind of increased both the challenges at our end in ITeLearn administratively and also from your learning perspective when you are stopped towards learning a tool that is essential. So the point that I'm trying to make is all the current courses that you see on our website, along with the ones that we'll keep launching every month as we do our live webinars, is all under one new membership. And I want you to visit ITeLearn.com, look at the pricing page on how to get onto the membership level. Back to my slides, a couple more out here that I wanted to run through team. Um, there's been a lot that we have done in this journey as ITeLearn, which is part of our incorporation called Varkasa Inc. I established this in 2009 as a brand called QTP Learn, which focused on online training. But what differentiated is how I made things like VB scripting, descriptive programming, or building these automation frameworks much simpler to learn, unlike the initial complexity that we saw. Slowly went on to add more tools into this platform on Selenium as it picked up in the market. And then I said, you know what? I believe now is a good time to have one brand that takes care of all the different IT trainings I would love to do. So then started ITeLearn.com, and then we evolved into getting into live projects, building our own platform and tool called AnyAuth, the JPact membership, how we launched QA on air, our overall global QA community with over 300,000 users, and a lot of focus in the last few years around how do we get more and more projects on AnyAuth, which we've been successfully doing for the last 2 years. How do we get the JPact members to get the AnyAuth certifications and get into these projects? So we have done a lot in this journey. There's a lot that we want to be part of this QA and automation industry. We're proud to call ourselves as an automation company, a QA automation company. We look at these programs to really talk about how we can develop our products further and how we can do consulting services and projects for various clients across the globe. What's critical with this membership is the fact that I've seen what we typically see is either you're someone working in the QA industry with 5-6 years experience or someone new to the IT industry totally. We look at, okay, we need to earn and let us just learn something and earn. So you kind of taking away certain things like I need to do and practice a lot more. So that comes off. Then came up a little bit more structured way of learning where we said, or into the whole program of career building, where let's learn first, put it into a little practice of doing hands-on expertise, and then we will get into the job mode. What I am trying to emphasize, team, it's a cycle which is constant, especially in the world of QA and automation. And that's primarily what I'm trying to summarize through the entire presentation. You require constant skill upgrades. You have amazing career with beautiful jobs as long as you are inclined and you have a little passion to learn new skills. Don't take it as a very serious course, but just with a membership, you see a good schedule at a nice timing suitable for you. Join this live webinars and see what's happening in the QA world. Lot of new roles that you can migrate to from QA or what you've learned so far. And we love to continue to add a lot of programs in these areas. I personally want to take up a few, and I'm looking for experts who will continue to join ITeLearn as great trainers. Lot of emerging technologies that we see, team. So all the tools that we see today like Selenium or UFT or load runner and all that will be seeing a lot of competition, and we'll see a lot of new technologies like AI, machine learning, deep learning concepts coming into it. So that requires our skills to be constantly upgraded, and that's what we want to bring at ITeLearn. One platform where you can talk about constant learning. You can talk about a platform where you have a community to work on internship projects, live projects, and also look at how you can use JPact to gain certifications and get into the job market. Thank you so much. Welcome to ITeLearn. I really hope you will be a member with us. Watch our content on ITeLearn.com. Look at our live schedule. Join some of our free sessions. See how we have done some of the previous sessions in YouTube. I hope you'll really like our programs. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day.